Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Tongue shot.
And someone will help me fight. I'm just a shadow of a man I used to know. I'm just a shadow of a man I used to know.
gosh, what was that? So much joy, such ecstasy, so much excitement, love and trust, all the searching, finding, creating, exploration of deep emotions, togetherness in pain and relief. Those days in the desert with all of you changed my world, changed me forever. Knowing you crazy weirdos, while struggling with fears and insecurities as everyone does, are out there spreading your love and kindness and light, reaching for growth and fulfillment, helping others to do the same. Man, this makes my heart do happy backflips, seriously makes my every cell dance. Thank you for every minute, for all the stories shared, for your beautiful smiles, your hearty laughter, your daring to be open and vulnerable. You set my heart and soul on fire. Thank you, thank you, thank you.